What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert Lazada Pay Later to GCash. Is it actually possible? So you might be wondering, can you actually convert your Lazada Pay Later to GCash here? Well, there are a few things here that you need to understand. Now, usually Lazada Pay Later here is in this case is a payment method here that you could use inside Lazada, which in this case you could just basically use the Lazada Pay Later, which in this case you can buy something via the platform or inside the platform here. With in this case, you could just pay it later from the name itself. Now, if you want to transfer this into GCash, this can be kind of difficult. Now, the thing with Lazada Pay Later here, it's intended to be only used inside the app itself or within the platform. Now, making transfers or basically cashing out your Lazada Pay Later here to GCash is going to be hard because right now there's no direct way that you can make the transfer. Now, I'm not going to lie to you that it's possible here. Again, it's quite difficult to do this because again, there's no direct way that you can make the transfer. Now, with that said, it's going to be again really hard to make the to transfer itself, and even like impossible as of this moment. But before, if I'm not mistaken, there are stores here that offers conversions. Like for example, you can buy like for example GCash loads or GCash balances via the app itself via Lazada here. But if I'm not mistaken, those stores are actually removed from the app itself. So it's impossible. But if you do see a store here, so you could just type in like GCash in the search bar here, and if you do see an option here that sells like in this case allows you to buy GCash loads via this way, you can just use your Lazada Pay Later here as a payment method. But then again, like what I said, they are being removed. Now, just to give you some idea here, so for example, if you just need to have like extra funds here, like for buying something, Lazada actually expanded their platform. Now you can actually now buy or start buying via Lazmark here, which allows you to basically buy groceries like meat, seafood, fruits and vegetables, anything that you may need for your home. So yeah, so instead of just cashing out this to GCash, you may want to start using Lazada Pay Later here for buying your groceries, and yeah. So unfortunately, again, like what I said, it's kind of sad here that we can directly cash out our Lazada Pay Later to GCash here. But before there were a way here, but again, Lazada actually removed this. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.